The presentation themes. Presentation software helps in preparing attractive presentation by providing various predefined design known as themes. All right. Now, for this we need to do the design tab. Under the themes group, we have to hover the mouse on the available themes and select the desired theme. All right. So, then we can observe the changes into our this thing what you call in the slide. So, we are taking a blank slide for this blank layout over here. Okay, and after that what we are doing, we are going to the design tab, then under the themes group. Here you can see the themes group out here. So, any theme you can choose, suppose we are choosing this theme. So, you will be able to see the effect has been taken place. If you can observe the change over here. Okay, if you are taking this one, you can see this one over here. So, the thing is that this particular theme you can see the effect. Now, if you want to one more slide to be entered to be inserted, you can do one thing, you can right click on it. And you can do a new slide over here. So, the new slide will be inserted. This is actually the slide pane, you can say out here. Otherwise, you can press the Control M from the keyboard in order to get a new slide. So, now if you want to have a change over here in the individual slide, in that case what could you do? You can choose the format background also. Okay, then the color theme will be changed over here. Just we are coming to the themes right now. So, now what is happening for the more templates design, you can click on the more drop down arrow at the bottom right of the themes group. Okay. So, here you can see this is the more, change the overall design for you the slide, right click on any theme to more ways to apply it. Okay. So, now you can see the more themes, if you want to find out, you can easily find out over here, click over here, then this particular slide will have this thing. So, you can see the changes has been appeared over here. Okay. So, now you anytime any theme if you want to add, you can select from this themes group. Okay. So, it is under the design tab themes group, and from where you can select any theme in order to get the effect. All right. Now, more color also to do more one I had shown you just now, I had described them just now over here also in this way. Okay. So, colors are also there, you can change the colors also. If you want to change it, this is the color, whatever shades you want you can select, plenty of shades are there. Okay. From there you can select any shade. All right. So, you can choose over there like this. Okay. So, MS PowerPoint allows us to change the color of the scheme that had selected. To do so, click on colors button in the themes group on the design tab and select the desired color scheme from the drop down list. So, that is what actually I was showing you. So, here suppose I am choosing this one. So, it will be in this way, it will be appearing. All right. If we want to apply the desired color scheme onto the selected slides only, then the right click on the color scheme and click on the apply to selected slide option. All right. Suppose this slide is selected and then right click on it, and then not this one, sorry, in this one actually you have to right click. Okay. Right click and apply to all slides, apply to selected slides, or add gallery to quick access toolbar, whatever you want. Now, I want only to apply this particular thing only to the apply to the selected slides only. So, I will click it over here. So, that actually has been changed. Okay. You see other two are remain similar. So, that is the thing. So, you can apply the particular theme onto the particular slide, all the slides are all on the slides. Okay. So, how it is, again I can go back over here and I can do one thing, suppose origin I want to apply. So, right click on it, apply to all slides. So, it will be changed again, see it has been changed. You can observe the effect out here, and again right click on it, sorry not this one, please come over here. So, here you can just do the things. Now, suppose this slide is selected. All right. Now, I am going to the colors once again, and what I am doing, I am just clicking over here and right clicking on it and then apply to select a slide only. Then what will happen, only the slide number 2 will be changed, but 1 and 3 will remain as it was. All right. Okay. So, you see out here it has changed, but these two remain different, these two remain different. You can observe the effect over here, and this has been little different in the shade. All right. That is what, in this way you can apply the themes. So, what are themes? That question if have been asked, what is actually the answer? Presentation software, what are themes? Presentation software helps in preparing attractive presentation by providing various predefined designs known as presentation themes. All right. That is the very nice answer. And where it is available? It is available under the design tab and under the themes group. Where it is? Design tab and under the themes group. Okay. That is the thing. And if you want to change the particular color onto a particular slide, then right click on the color scheme, then apply to selected slide. Okay. That is what about the slide presentation and its theme. Now, we are actually doing an activity with this one with the themes, that also you will do practice definitely. So, we are just going to the PowerPoint once again back. So, we are having these 3 slides. Okay. We are just changing the theme over here. Okay. So, this has come over here right now, blank slide. Okay. So, now what will happen? We will just do the format background over here. So, I will just minimize this one. Okay. 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 Now, the thing is that what will you do? Format background over here. Okay, format background will give you the different background types and also gradient fill I am doing out here, and I am changing over here certain light background I am changing. All right, then I am choosing here close. So, this has been changed over here. So, what I will do out here, I will write the title healthy habits. Okay. So, what I will do, I will go to insert, and under the insert tab I will, under the text group we will have the word art and its different styles. Now, what is happening, we will choose this style and then we will write out here what healthy habits. Okay. All healthy habits. All right. So, now what is happening, healthy habits slide, it has been prepared. Now, we will go to another slide over here. In the similar fashion, we will change the background of this particular slide, and this time we will take something different. Okay. So, we will do the picture fill or texture fill. Okay, something the texture, we will take some light structure, light texture over here. So, say this one we have taken, and we have taken this one close. Okay. So, the slide has been changed. All right. Now, what we will do once more, what we will do, insert, and then we will do the healthy habits. Okay. So, healthy habits I am choosing this particular style over here and writing over here again healthy habits. Okay. Now, I need to enter some text. So, how will you enter some text? Okay. So, you see out here healthy habits, then you have to go to the insert, then you have to go to the text tool. This is the text box actually, which will help you out in order to enter text in a table. Fine. So, now you see out here what I am doing. I am just writing something out here. If you want to give some style over here, you can also do so. Okay. So, what I am saying, drink water. So, I am doing what, drink water about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, minutes after your meal, meal. Okay. Acha. Next is enter, coming to the next line. Okay, eat one healthy meal a day, eat one healthy meal a day. All right. Third one. Okay, use your lunch to be active, use your lunch to be active. All right. These are the things that I have done, and then what I have done, I have just highlighted this one and some adding bullets over here. Okay, that will give some highlighting this thing over here. So, I have added some bullets over there, and I am increasing the size of it a bit. So, it will be distinctly, it can be read. Okay. So, that is the slide has been prepared. Okay. Slide has been prepared, and here I can change the color of the this thing text also. So, I am making it out here red. All right. So, or any other color if you want, you can choose it. So, and at last what I am doing, I am insert some picture over here. Okay, insert some picture. So, insert picture will be there. Okay, here. Okay, or you can give some clip art picture also. So, you can click on clip art icon, which is under the illustration tab. Okay, which is under the illustrations group. Okay, insert tab, illustrations group will give you the picture. So, here you can give the pictures. Okay, suppose I am giving food out here, food. Okay, so I am clicking on OK. Let us see if anything has been displayed. Okay, no, it is not there. Okay, say it is there. Yeah, food has come over here. Suppose this particular picture that I am adding, so it has been added over here. Okay, so this slide has been made. Okay, so in this way you can insert the picture. Okay, in this way you can insert the picture, and what could you do is you can insert the text on a slide, as well as you will be able to change the background. So, once it has been made, you can go for the slideshow. You can click on over here, and then you can from the current slide you can do the slideshow. This has come over here, and this has also been displayed over here. Okay, that is the thing. So, in this way you will can prepare this kind of formatted slides, and afterwards if you can try some animation on it also. Okay, so that one also I will give you, I will demonstrate you in our next session. Fine. So, till now you just do this practical and made this kind of slides. Okay, and practice it, and while practicing you must see that under which tab what you are using. Like we have done the slideshow tab under the start slideshow group. Okay, thank you.